Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my December 2019 SugarMuses box. I get the Deluxe Muse box, and super excited to be opening it today. I've already gotten my Midnight Muses box, and it was quite lovely and quite wonderful. So let's check it out. Ooh. I smell peppermint, I think. Yule magic. We'll come back to that. Yule spells. Oh! Changing it up. So lovely. Oh, I'm ripping it. God bless her. Beautiful. I love it. Lilac. First emotions of love. I love lilac. I have a big old lilac bush on my property. Okay, her card. This is Christy at SugarMuses. It smells like a peppermint, a candy cane in here. Quite nice. We've got some kind of a smudge in a green bag. Yum, 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 yum. It's got rosemary for sure. It smells like heaven. Love it. We've got our orange spice cinnamon tea. Yum, yum. We've got a candy cane. My son's going to be psyched about that. We've got a pretty soap kind of thing. Ooh, it smells good, like candy cane. It all smells like candy cane. We got a little bag here. Probably for the tea. Got another little bag here, but it's got something in it. A crystal, I think. Ooh. Pretty. We got a little jar. I love jars! Simmering blend. Yum yum. For scents in the house. Ooh, dang. Smells delicious. Love it. So beautiful. Smells absolutely scrumptious. Can't wait. There's our oil over here. And Yule magic. Doesn't have any floaters in it. Let's see what it is. I don't know if my nose is saturated or what, but I can't really smell it. Here's our candle. So pretty. Yule magic. It's like a balsam, I think, smell. Some kind of tree. We got... Oh! Full of stones. Let's see what that means. Oh, there's the incense. Kind of like a clean soap kind of smell. That's my impression. Okay. Looks like I got a decor item. Aww. I know this is going to sound funny, but he looks like Father Christmas in a tree. So cute. I love it. You can go on the ofrenda. Alright. This month we celebrate Yule and the winter solstice, which falls on Friday, December 21st. It marks the return of the sun when the Wait, is Friday the 21st? Because Friday is the 13th. So I think it's Saturday, December 21st. It marks the return of the sun when the days finally begin to get a little longer. Take some time this month to set up a Yule altar. Do a ritual to welcome back the returning sun or perform a holiday tree blessing ritual with your family. I've got my tree, I just haven't put it up yet. Remember to gather up Yule greens after the 12th night and save them. In bulk, burn the greens to banish winter and usher in spring. Spells to cast during this time include banishing, releasing bad habits, prosperity, and peace. Some deities to honor during Yule include the Holly King, who is a figure found in British tales. He is similar to the Green Man, the archetype of the forest. In modern pagan religion, the Holly King battles the Oak King for supremacy throughout the year. Also, Egyptian sun gods Ra and Horus are honored at this time of year. The Norse god Odin is honored during the winter months as he is said to bestow gifts to his people, riding a magical flying horse across the sky. This legend have been combined with St. Nicholas to create the modern-day Santa Claus. Goddesses of winter solstice include Freya, Diana, Demeter, and Ellen of the Ways. Also, like Jesus, people celebrate Jesus too this time of year, but hey. You're going to go out there right with Jesus up on the ofrenda. Peppermint shower steamer. Oh, that's what that is. Yum. I love that. Place the shower steam in the corner of your shower out of direct water, but where the water still splashes it. Enjoy the therapeutic and metaphysical benefits of peppermint essential oil. Pine incense sticks. Pine represents protection, abundance, and strength. Element fire. Planet is Mars. Rosemary and sage smudge bundle. I love it. Yule magic oil. So it's peppermint, rosemary, almond oil, and vitamin E. Hand poured candle. It's got sage, juniper berry, rosemary, cedar, pine cones, fir needle, clove, and juniper essential oils. Stovetop simmering blend, which is really cool. Organic clove, orange peel, rosemary, cinnamon, and star anise. Oh, it's going to be great. Tumbled tree agate. Oh, cool. Promotes good health, happiness, longevity, and protection. They're grounding and gentle. Give strength, victory, and attunement with the earth. So this is a beautiful stone for nature, tree magic, and shamanism. Cinnamon organic tea. Holly King Green Man plaque. Holly is associated with protection. The Holly King is the god of transformation and one who brings us to birth new ways, thus helping us shed old ways and make way for the new. Silver-plated chambered pendant with green aventurine and moss agate chipstones. Green aventurine comes from fugite particles within the quartz. This gemstone is known as the Stone of Opportunity, thought to be the luckiest of all crystals, especially at manifesting prosperity and wealth. It increases confidence and creativity as well. Guards from stress. Moss agate is also a prosperity gemstone. It's a heart chakra gem. Finding true love as well as self-love. If you're unsure about the direction of your life, meditate with your moss agate to seek the path you're meant to take. You can use this as a pendulum, or you can wear it as well. The Yule art print and the intuitively drawn card. Botanical inspiration from the Botanical Inspirations deck. Nice. Love it. Very cool box. Smells delicious. All items that I'll use. I love it. This is the SugarMuses Deluxe box for December 2019. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.